This scratch video shows you how we can paint a new sprite and convert to vector. So I've clicked onto my Paint New Sprite tool and it opens up my drawing stage. I'm going to click onto my Convert to Vector button at the bottom here. And the reason I do that is the vector mode lets you draw shapes rather than drawing the individual pixels of an image. So let's just make sure that that's been... So when I click onto convert to vector mode, you can see that all my drawing tools are now on my right hand side of the stage. Well, we're going to click onto a yellow color at the bottom here where we've got our selection of color palettes. And we may just adjust our line width just to make it a little bit thicker so it's easier for us. And what we might do is we're going to click onto our ellipse tool and draw a shape. First of all, I might click onto this tool here so we know roughly where the middle of the drawing stage is. And then we'll click onto the ellipse tool here and try to draw it right in the middle so it's spot on in the middle of the stage. Might make it a little bit bigger. And we'll try to make sure that that's right in the middle as well. So this may take a little bit of fiddling around, but it's great to get it perfectly in the middle. And so you can see that there's that little crosshair there, so it allows you to it guides you as to where the middle of the stage is. And that's all we're going to do. We'll rename the sprite as the hoop so that when we use this sprite in the program we can refer to it as the hoop rather than sprite 2. Hope this video has helped you to learn how you can use the Paint New Sprite tool as well as the vector mode.